How to get the chicken jockey after the event in Roblox Grow Garden. So to get this pet, the chicken jockey or the chicken zombie, you must have played before the blood moon or the moon event in Grow Garden. So that event was a month ago, so that will be impossible to do it and get it now. So the only way to get the chicken jockey is to trade it from other people because you cannot get it after the event anymore because it is only a one-time gift or a free pet that you can get if you played before the blood moon event. So that event was already done and you will never be able to get this anymore unless you have played Grow a Garden before the update and you play now. So if you haven't gotten your chicken zombie, you will automatically get it in your inventory. So just check your inventory to make sure that you have the chicken zombie and you will get it automatically because that is a free pet that you can get if you played the Grow a Garden before the update. And that's how you can basically get Chicken Jockey after the event in Roblox Grow a Garden.